You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -44. Let's solve it step by step. Swap sides. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 43 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by 11. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by -1. Remove the ones. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals -44.